All right, had to do a quick intro for this one and fly around to check everything out. But this is 4410 Garnet mine, and this one's unique. So got to call it out. Brooke Pender's listing at Coldwell. Great agent, great person. And honestly, this one looked good in the pictures. It looks even better in person. So as you can see there, you have the main house that is, and then you have, it looks like an addition at some point. I'll verify this. And then a very large 2-car plus garage on a concrete slab. It's amazing. So check out the backyard. Definitely flew around the neighborhood to show you that. But you have 4 bedrooms, a pretty large basement, updated kitchen, hardwood floors, and a great location. So I was a little surprised. Again, I thought it looked good in the pictures, but flying around and checking out the neighborhood and seeing everything firsthand, this one has some potential. So wanted to share that, and here we go, getting inside. All right, 4410 Garnet Mine Road. Check it out. So additional garage there. We're gonna check what's going on here. But you can see the surrounding neighborhood. And we're gonna go right in the front door and explore. So Brooke Pender's listing. Awesome. So in you go, shoes off. Nice and clean, neat, hardwood floors. Let me spin you around. I'm taking it in as I'm looking. Coat closet, as soon as we step in. All right, recessed lighting. There are newer windows, newer-ish. And again, I'll get the disclosure once it's up and ready. So this is more of the dining area, the way it's situated. Look at that, bonus garage. My wheels are turning thinking of that. Nice tile floor. Plenty of hand sanitizer. I brought my own, but I love it. Look at that. All right, well, I'm gonna keep it on me at all times. Let me do this systematic. So here's the kitchen. Should be the basement, and it is. So cabinets go all the way up with the crown molding. Nice granite. I like how that's angled. It just makes more sense. It's a softer look. Stainless steel, gas cooking, good sized fridge, bonus little nook area there. We have the crown molding on the cabinets. Decent backyard. All right, nice kitchen. So let's go on this side before we venture on the other side. So we're gonna have 1, 2, 3 bedrooms and a bathroom. So I'll walk in here. Ceiling fan. Again, newer-ish windows. I'll get you that disclosure. There's the access panel for the plumbing. And as you can see, that's PEX, so that's newer plumbing. In fact, yeah. There you go, yep, right on there. Looks like a newer tub too, and you see right down the basement. So, let's explore. Updated. Oh yeah. Nice and simple. Clean. It's a fiberglass tub. We have a frosted window in there. It looks like a dual flush toilet. Pull you out. Okay. The other bedroom, hardwood floors, original hardwood floors. You see some areas on them, but again, for the most part, they look pretty good. You can see for yourself. Closets behind there. Do the first peek at the backyard. Nice shed. Pretty big concrete patio. All right. Attic access right up there. Oh, check this out. Put the laundry here. So you don't have to go down to the basement. They did. Look at that, it's all hooked up. But it still drains and vents to the basement. So, there you go. Good use of a stackable unit, in my personal opinion. Especially if you don't need the other bedroom. But again, that could all be moved or changed if you wanted to. So here will be the view. The main living room coming in from that angle. We'll spin you around. See the kitchen one more time. I think she mentioned in the listing it was took a little bit of time to do this renovation, like a live-in renovation. So we'll see if that's the case. I actually want to venture and see this. Breaking my own rules here. All right, so big backyard. Gotta see where the line is. So good sized shed. Walkout basement. Oh, check this out. I actually love that space. Great for storage. Yeah. Very cool indeed. Frost free there for the hose line. Carrier unit here. We'll see if it matches the basement. And there you go. See a high efficiency. I see the gas main and the electric meter. All right. An outlet there. Not bad. Got a really big garage over there. Gotta see where I am, but that one's big. Some really nice houses over here. Looks like crawl space entrance there. And this concrete work, by the way, looks nowhere too. Just taking a peek. All right, so I broke my own rules there and kind of went outside prematurely. Cool, so bar room. Now I'm thinking ahead, what is this? You have your own private entrance. If you close this off, hello Airbnb. Again, you gotta always check with the township, but not bad. I mean, you got plumbing there. You basically, I mean, this is a bar. That is no joke. PBR on tap, all right. And it says the Crown Bar. Welcome to the Crown Bar. I don't know if you can see that. That is really cool. Really, really cool. They embedded some quarters in here. Awesome. I love craftsmanship. So, there we are. We're in a bar. And then over here, we have really the primary bedroom. So it's 4 bedrooms on this level. And that is a sizable closet, to say the least. And a walk-in shower. Look at that. They opted that for ease. Obviously, you'll need some type of curtain. But good tile work, from what I can see. Works really well. Let me actually take you in, spin you around so you can see this room. Well, there you go. This is a creative one, in my opinion. Yeah. I'm thinking. All right, so that completes the first level. Let's venture down to the basement. And right away I see a big basement. Looks like a French drain system. It's actually for a well. Len the plumber, look at that. Tank and pump installed end of 2018. Okay, cool. All right, high enough ceilings, big basement. Remember, it is a walkout. We saw the Velcro doors. And then that's gotta be an addition over there, what we saw. And that's why they have a crawl space. So down here, you could have laundry as well, but they legitimately just put it in that extra bedroom. And there it is, coming down. So there's the lines going up, and the vent still vents outside. Very cool. Well, you got options. You can bring it back down here if you want. So the door and then the Velcro doors. My guess is they used to have oil here. That looks like they probably removed an oil tank. Just a guess, I'll see. Here we have a gas-fed water heater, Bradford White. Got a dehumidifier running and sump pump. A lot of new plumbing, new electrical from what I can gather. And this looks like a newer unit as well. Wow, a lot of space. And in fact, maybe the oil tank was there. That looks like it's raised up. And your gas meter comes in there. Interesting. So you have 2 panels. Oh wow, see right up to the bathroom. That's minor. All right, looks like a sub panel and your main 100 amp. All right, and again, a lot of new wiring up there. You got a steel beam here. Check this unit out, so gas fed. It's Concord, so outside's a Crown, but it is high efficiency. Cool. Well, this basement with the walkout, I gotta tell you, and those 4 windows, now this is finishable in my opinion. I mean, obviously check with the township, see what you have to do to make everything kosher. But this is a big, space. So let's venture up. Wow. See, can never really judge a book by its cover. So we're gonna hand sanitize as we go here. I think we touched everything, or saw everything, I should say, in the house. So let's now venture out. And I think I can see that other garage. Hand sanitizer on the glove. All right. Remember, you can walk right in there to the bar area. I mean, this was an addition, of course. And quite frankly, again, check and do your due diligence. You know, an in-law suite or an Airbnb, it's screaming for it in my opinion. All right, let's see if we can get in here. We cannot. Let me read the instructions and walk around, kind of multitask. Always fun. Yeah, that's a nice garage. Yeah. And neighbor's house. Yeah, we might get really lucky if that key works here. But I'm not gonna make any promises. They might have some toys in there and things they don't want people messing with. But in general, yeah, that's a garage door opener too. There's no handle to pull it up. Well, let's try. No harm in trying. There was only one key, I believe. So we will grab that. These are newer Brinks locks. Let's hope for the best. And are we getting lucky? Holy cow! Yes! Look at that. You gotta try. Well, perfect. 1, 2, 3. Wow! This is nice. This is nice. Basically built-in shelves the way it's done here on a concrete slab. I guess you have a little more here. Electric drive, garage door opener. This is something. And just again, thinking outside the box, always, 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 you know, verify with the township. I'm just here to supply ideas. If somebody doesn't need this garage, they could rent it out. One of the benefits of being on a semi-main road is just that, ease of access. So somebody with a landscaping business, who knows, small mechanic shop, again, check and make sure everybody's safe. You can pull right in. These are the creative things I like. So your driveway would be here. I would even wonder if the township would allow you to, you know, pave this area. Someone could just drive right in there and never even bother you. So this one is unique. Brooke's got a cool one here. All right, well, that is awesome. I will leave you right there.